We are headed into DJX. It is the showroom floor. We're going to do our best, and I will be actually surprised. It was louder in the lobby waiting to get back here than it is in here itself. So totally crazy on that part already. So let's see what we got. We're just going to make a quick tour around everything and see what we got. So we got Jetpack over here doing theirs. Nice setup. Great backpacks. We've got Danny Max. Oh yes, there's lots of great stuff here. So he's got a full complete piece here. There is his quarter rack. We will come back and check that out a little bit later. Back in the bag, this is Vibo. No, BB Mobile Apps. Awesome. Hey guys. I don't smoke. I don't smoke. No.
But you do drink.
I do drink. We'll do that. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Awesome. All right, here we go. Free stuff. Who knows? Who knows what we're gonna say? So we got honestly. Oh man, this is like quiet back here. I'm totally shocked. All right. Ooh, body. And they got like a bus. They brought a bus in here.
DJX 2023. I'm
Ace
DJ
bus.
Ricky
There
C.
you go. Yeah.
Kung Fu DJ is off to my right.
So
Special thanks to Electro Blue
down.
hooking us up with the mic and RCF.
DJ front board.
Welcome everybody. Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Sounding systems. All right, so I think the pot guys have been replaced by these called Stonehead. So, all right. We've got the DJ Times booth, a whole bunch of t-shirts. They're selling those. DJ Matt. Nice. Here's the Vibo guys. Here we go. Vibo. Nice. Loomis. Show your brand. All right. Sherman Parties. CRM SNEL. What we got back here? Like Music Group. Nice. Maybe panels. Now I'm giving some of you guys. I'm giving like everybody's like getting dizzy from the back and forth, but trying to do the best we can. ATS Pro. So there's the you can like live stream from the event right on the front board. Nice. What else do we got? We got Gator, UJ, Radiocom. There's Silent Disco. I think they're doing a demo tonight. I saw similar to what they did last year out on Steel Pier. Vapor Flame. Okay. Huge event planner. Perfect portals. Nice. Red Max. Light wall. They were here last year. This is a much bigger display than what they had last year. Love it. It was a very cool design. RPM and Top Hits doing their thing. We took a picture of this out in the other one. You want a different type of booth? This is a different type of booth. There you go. Boombox.
DJX 2023.
Totally crazy.
I gotta send big shots out. First of all, thanks and a big shout out to RCF. They are our stage sponsors along with Pioneer DJ. So we're all set up. RCF, Pioneer DJ, our stage sponsors. And our DJ giveaways. RCF,
right here on the floor.
Vibo, and the DJX.
See that back this year? Hercules is here. There's a group we haven't seen on the show in a couple years.
You can always go to the other. We also have
DMC. They're doing that on Thursday, I think, a competition. So that's kind of cool. Techniques.
Something we didn't have actually last year. And our performances.
Color Key, Headliner, Mixwear.
On the stage, 1:30 p.m. DJ Throwdown. 3:30 p.m. Buck Rogers.
Carnival Entertainment, nice. Both Lighting USA. Rick Webb back there spinning. AJ photo booth. Pro X, nice. The Moda is back. The one thing I am seeing about this show is definitely some faces that we haven't seen for a few years back, which is kind of nice. Pretty cool to see that. Oh, DOS. This is pretty cool. So they brought their own booth. Like, now this is a booth, people. That's a booth. And that is your once around on the showroom floor.